Hey everybody, Sigma Rick here. So, we are going to start a little Hearthstone.
Job done.
Arc user prepared abilities automatically. So I have not done this format, so I have no idea. Jesus, God, that's loud though. That is loud though. Attack abilities do physical combat with the enemy. Be careful as you'll take return damage in the process. Other abilities can be used safely from range. Attack an enemy, death blow, restore 10 health to this mark. 3, 5. Deal 4 damage. Oh, I should have had her go first, right? Combat. Attack an enemy. Okay. So this is a new mode, I think. To me at least. It's called Mercenaries, so that's why I'm kind of doing it. Taranda, carry Rome. Arc, deal 2 damage to 2 random enemies. Okay. Take 5 turns.
Not bad, but stay focused. You've got company.
Okay. So I wonder if this is like the tutorial version. So if it is, you know, if you've never seen this, then you're learning right with me. Command. Okay. Combat resolves based on speed order. Lower speed abilities go first. Speed ties are in. So it's kind of like they're making a Dungeon and Dragon version almost. Deal 4 damage to an enemy. Deal 2 damage to random enemies. Can you attack? And you go here? Well, why is she first and second? I wanted her first. Combat. Crushing blow. Deal 4 damage. Okay. Yeah.
Job's done.
Okay, so we didn't kill it, so that's okay. Yay, we got a victory again. Take 5 turns. Okay, so we're moving up.
Well done. I have recruited a third mercenary for your party.
Yay, we got Cookie. Ah! I didn't get to see what that was. That was a little disappointing. I would have liked to have seen what that was. Just pour that because it'll leak. Who is this? Mercenaries can do 2x damage against each other. Caster. Okay, so caster, protector, fighter. Okay. So she goes there. Caster goes there. Deal 2 damage to an enemy and give it -2 attack. It really doesn't matter. Why is she going first? Deal 2 damage, okay. That's 6. Well, I guess I should have counted that. And then we wouldn't have had that, I guess, right? First, second, third. So it does 0 damage. That's nice. Yeah, caster to that is... Okay. Okay. I don't understand the low speed goes first.
And efficient. I like it.
Captain
Lucky
Greenskin.
for you, another mercenary wants to join your crew.
Cool. Gromosh Hellscream. Nice.
See that gem above your target's head? Pay attention to it. It means you can expect more fighters in this battle.
Okay. So this is an interesting concept. Obviously, yes, this is a tutorial, so we'll just do the tutorial real fast and see how it goes. Okay. Only 3 mercenaries can be in combat at once. Remaining mercenaries will wait on the bench reserve. Protector, fighter, caster. Who am I picking? Death blow. Gain. Why does it want me to... Oh, because there's 2 fighters? So we pick one. Yeah, we pick them 2. And Tyrande. Tyrandorus Furundurun. Okay. So I guess go sit your ass on the bench. Okay. I guess we're ready. Get rid of him first, I guess, right? So why does he go third? Deals 6 damage. Wow, okay. So we replace defeated mercenaries with one from your bench. Defeated mercenaries will not be able to fight for the rest of the map. Okay. Interesting. I'll give it that, an interesting concept. That thing's gonna kill him, right? Oh, first, second, third, I guess? Nice. I guess. Yeah, you got me. How how this is actually supposed to work. Taunt. Restore 4 health to this merc and gain taunt. Okay. So I guess they're trying to tell us that, yeah, this is going to be the minion you want to be.
There is the target. Get into position and eliminate them.
Captain Hogger. So funny how Hogger went from this just like random elite in WoW to being a staple of WoW now. Like, I just think it's kind of funny. Okay, so because I lost her, I can't use her for the rest of the rounds? Interesting. Very interesting. See what the enemy has prepared. Give all your attack to another character this turn. Attack an enemy. Okay. Well, hey, you don't do that to me. Attack an enemy. Gain 5 attack. I don't think we have the health for this, do we? Burst, which is fine. How does it... Oh, because they're, protector. That's why they do double damage. I was like, how in the hell are they doing so much damage? Do that, I guess. Attack an enemy twice. That's not fair. Alright, that works. So I guess it has to attack him? Because I taunted? Okay. Hey, you're supposed to attack that fucker. So... Yeah, this ought to be interesting. 9. Okay, so that's gonna kill him. Win 1 bounty and mercenaries. Okay, well that's interesting. I mean, I think we'll definitely play it a little bit. We might incorporate it into the stream and the rotation for YouTube. So, what did we get? Veranda times 50. What is? I don't know what that means, but okay. 50 health points. What does that mean?
I think this life suits you.
Yeah, because they died. I get that. Enter the Firelands when 2 bounties and mercenaries play 1 tavern. Okay.
Welcome home, mercenary. It's not much, but with a little effort, this place will become the heart of your operation. You have enough materials to construct...
Interesting. So they are taking WoW a little bit. You know, what are the Warlords when we started building our little outpost? Select this mercenary to view their ability.
Upgrade a mercenary's abilities with that mercenary's coins. Try it now.
Ah, I see. Well, we like that.
Excellent. Preparation is often the difference between defeat and victory.
Okay. We're done with that. We know we have something for you. We don't have enough to upgrade. Silly, silly, silly. Still don't have enough to upgrade. So we can actually make a new party or something? With what? Okay, okay, we're done. No, I don't want to. I'm done. Yeah, I get it. It's a starting party. Okay, we're done. Back.
As you can see, there's no shortage of work around here. You should build a task board to track what needs to get done, and avoid any future surprises.
Oh, look, we get to build that for free. That's like it's not making us wait for like a day or something, you know? That'd be really stupid and annoying.
Very good. Other mercenaries will ask for assistance with their own tasks. Take a look.
Look this. So we get Rokara and a mercenary pack. Okay. How do we get out of this?
You'll need transportation to your next mission.
Okay. I don't want to start anything. Oh god, not him.
An organic quadrupedal velocity device.
A horse.
It's a horse. I asked...
Portals require time.
It's settled. Get and take Manastorm with you. Perhaps a little...
Alright, we got Millhouse Manastorm. Ah, I see. So... I see how this shit works. Okay. Level 4. Okay. Well, we might definitely have to try that, because this looks a little fun, I will admit. Okay. Well, this is Sigma Rick on Hearthstone, so I will talk to you guys later. If you haven't seen this before, or you enjoy watching this, we're going to keep doing it. So go ahead and give a like or a comment, and let me know what you think. Have a great night. Good night.